All right, 21 says halfway point of a tunnel through the mountains is three halves of a mile, or 1.5 miles from either end of the tunnel. Mountain is 660 feet, or 1/8 of a mile high. Find the slope of the side of the mountain. So how do we find the slope? Slope is what? Rise over run, right? So how much did the mountain rise to get to the top? How high is it? 1/8. Let's keep it in miles just for the sake, just because it's going to be a lot easier. Okay, because the other value is in miles. So 1/8 of a mile. What is the run, or how is it going left and right? How much to get to the center? 3 halves. So if I'm doing rise over run, then I'm going to have 1/8 over 3 halves. Okay, rise over run. Now, an easier way to write that for you all, or I can even just show you, if you have 2 fractions stacked on top of each other, it's real simple. Multiply the outside. That's your numerator. So what's 1 times 2? 2. Multiply the inside. That is your denominator. So what's 8 times 3? 24. So then what is your slope? 1/12. Alright, so 6, still fractions, it's okay. Rise over run, or remember with various points, it is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So I'm going to work this one up above. So I'm just going to go, so those two go together and those two go together. So I'm going to say 9/4 minus 3/4 divided by 3 halves minus 1/2. Just because they're fractions doesn't mean that you can't do them and you have to ask for help every single time just because you see a fraction. Okay? We can still attempt these and try. Promise, they'll be okay. You're going to see plenty of fractions here. So, if the denominators are the same, what's 9/4 minus 3/4? If you're going to ask questions, it would help if you would not have a conversation while I'm working it, so then you can just take a picture of it later. It'll help if you pay attention if you're going to ask the question for future reference. And yes, I am throwing a lot of shade, full level or blinds at you. I expect you, if you're going to ask questions, to pay attention. I already know how to do it. I'm here to help you do it. So 9/4 minus 3/4 is what? 6/4. Anybody want to take a stab at 3 halves minus 1/2? 2/2 or 1. Okay. I'll reduce it again. So what is 6/4 going to reduce to? 3/2. And then divided by 1, right? What's anything divided by 1? Itself. So what's my slope? 3/2.